Hi everyone, welcome to the August SheetLoad of Cards collaboration, the August edition of the SheetLoad of Cards collaboration. This is hosted by Call Me Crafty Al, who is Alicia. Hello Alicia. So every month we get a sketch ahead of the public general population on YouTube or Instagram or blogs. There's a team of us, YouTube, Instagram, and blogs. They'll be linked down below the video, and we get the sketch and the instructions about a month early, and then so we have a month to make our projects and get the video up on the 2nd of every month. So for August, we post on August 2nd, which is when you'll be seeing this. So this month was a little different. We normally have been doing 12 by 12 paper, but this is a special edition. Use your 6 by 6 papers. Well, as most of you know, I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so I do tend to use Stampin' Up whenever I can, and this was no exception. So the papers that I chose to use this time were the Playing with Design 6 by 6 Designer Series paper. It's very bright, colorful, to me like celebration or birthday paper. So I also selected the So Much Happy stamp set, and I used Happy Birthday because I'm always needing birthday cards. And I didn't use the Happy die this time, but I did use this pennant here, and I think that's the only die I really used. And then I also used the Stitch So Sweetly dies, the third one from the center is what I used. And then I also used the Playing with Patterns resin dots, and I used them in Coastal Cabana and Purple Posy. And I used Purple Posy cardstock, Whisper White cardstock, and Night of Navy cardstock. So it makes 6 cards. You can see on the instructions here. It makes 6 A2 card bases, and that is what I made, and these open vertically. So the first two, I made 2 of each of 3 designs, or same design but pattern papers. So this one is a striped background, and then this has the Coastal Cabana sort of watercolory look, and I backed that strip. That's a 2-inch, I think it's 2-inch, yeah, 2-inch strip by 5 1/4, backed on 2 1/4 by 5 1/4 Night of Navy. And then the cardstock is Purple Posy, super pretty color. This is a strip of the pattern paper, different design, and then this is the Stitch So Sweetly. I used Night of Navy ink, and I put the 2 stamps on the same block so that I could get the Happy and the Birthday together. I love this So Much Happy set. It's wonderful, and the coordinating dies are as well. It's very versatile. You could have Happy Graduation, so very happy to celebrate you, to know you, to have you in my life, that kind of thing. So anyway, going forward, these are the first 2. And then the next 2 are these. So here are the banners, and I cut out 2 for each card, but I crossed them and I snipped some off. And then I just put one of the enamel dots. I think that's what they're called. Hang on. Resin dots? Resin dots. They're more opaque and sort of flat, but they're puffy. I don't know if you can see the dimension. They're a little bit puffy, but they're nice for mailing because they don't stick up real high. So these have the Coastal Cabana dots on. They're on the Coastal Cabana watercolory looking background with this sort of mermaid tail or something like that design, and then the stripe here. And then the last one switches back to the Purple Posy resin dots, and here we have that mermaid tail design, I'll call it, the stripe on here, and then the Coastal Cabana watercolor down here. And I think they're really super pretty. I love the colors. Oh, and then on the inside of all of them, all I did was put a piece of Whisper White and one of the little pieces of banner that I had to snip off, or pennant, whatever you call it. And they're all the same. They all have a little piece of banner up in the top. But I didn't put any further sentiment or anything in. So that is my project for August 2nd for the sheet load of cards. I did have fun. I just love that paper. It's got so many pretty, bright, cheerful colors in it. So, alrighty guys, I will let you go. Please do check out everyone else. I love seeing what everyone else makes. And if you are interested in any of these products, there will be a link below everyone else's links. It will go to my blog, as well as below all the participants. I will have the links directly to the items I used in case you'd like to purchase them with me as your demonstrator. I can only have you do that if you're in the USA, and preferably if you don't have another demonstrator, or if you're looking to change or whatever. I don't want to steal people away from other demonstrators, but if you're one that shops around, yeah, come my way. Anyway, that's it for me for today. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, week, whatever. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.